Isomers of pentane, C5H12. Pentane has the chemical formula C5H12. This fits the general formula for saturated alkanes, so all isomers will come from different carbon branching patterns. Our strategy is to systematically shorten the longest carbon chain. We will analyze chains of 5, 4 and 3 carbons. Case 1. The longest possible chain has 5 carbons. Only one possibility, the straight, unbranched chain. This gives us our first isomer, N-pentane. Case 2. Let's use a 4-carbon chain and add the 5th carbon as a branch. Placing the methyl group on an N-carbon, C1 or C4, just makes N-pentane again. The only unique place to add the branch is on an inner carbon, like C2. C3 is identical due to symmetry. This gives us our second isomer, isopentane, also known as 2-methylbutane. Case 3. Finally, let's try a 3-carbon chain. This requires adding 2 methyl groups. If we add a branch to an N-carbon, we just create a 4-carbon chain, which we've already covered. Therefore, the only valid option is to place both methyl groups on the central carbon C2. This forms our final isomer, neopentane, or 2,2-dimethylpropane. In conclusion, we have found the 3 structural isomers of pentane.